Let's imagine if the dealership service center just tell you your transmission is sealed and maintenance free, so you don't need to worry about it. What will be your first reaction upon hearing about it? Happy, excited, feel lucky as you can save some money on the maintenance fee. The truth is, while some modern transmissions are designed to require less maintenance, they are far from maintenance free. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you ever have the questions about the maintenance-free transmission? Fact is, the regular transmission fluid checks and changes are crucial for its longevity. Neglecting this could lead to the costly repairs down the line. In today's video, we are going to reveal transmission secrets that dealers or some repair shops won't let you know. Are you ready? Sit tight and buckle up. Let's rock the rolls. I heard about transmission flushes. Are they necessary? Absolutely, it's a great way to keep your transmission in top shape. But is it really necessary? Transmission flushes can sometimes do more harm than good, especially on older vehicles. A simple fluid change is often sufficient, as a flush might dislodge debris that could lead to the bigger problems. The point is, do not radically change the oil fluid, so the automatic transmission can hold the consistency and function. Ideally, change it regularly 50 to 60k miles is the best and keep you out of messy situation we just mentioned. For more information, you can check our before video. Don't worry, your warranty covers transmission issues. Wait, is that the full story? When considering a transmission warranty for your vehicle, there are several key factors to pay attention to in order to ensure you understand the coverage and make the best decision for your needs. So, except the duration of warranty, here's what you should consider. First is the cover components. Understand which transmission components are covered by the warranty. Some warranties might cover the entire transmission system, including internal parts, while others might only cover basic components. Review the list of covered parts and ensure it aligns with your vehicle's needs. And the second is exclusion and limitation. Carefully read the warranty's fine print to identify any exclusion or limitations. Certain conditions, such as the off-road use or modifications, might avoid the warranty. Knowing these exclusions will help you in inadvertently avoiding the coverage. Third, maintenance requirements. Determine if the warranty has any maintenance requirements, such as the regular fluid changes or inspections. Some warranties may require you to follow specific maintenance schedule to keep the coverage valid. Next one is authorized repair facilities. Find out if the warranty specifies that repairs must be performed at authorized dealerships or service centers. Using unauthorized repair shops could avoid the warranty. And the next is the prior approval for repairs. Check if the warranty requires prior approval before getting any repairs done. Failing to get approval might result in the warranty not covering the repairs. And the sixth is the wear and tear versus the mechanical value. Different warranties might have varying sentences on whether they cover normal wear and tear or only mechanical values. Clarify the aspect, as it can affect how certain issues are addressed. Seventh, voiding the warranty. Be aware of actions that could void the warranty, such as the neglecting the maintenance or using non-approved parts. Understanding these conditions will help you maintain the warranty's validity. My transmission failed. Do I need a complete replacement? A transmission rebuild will be just as good as save your money. But is that the best choice? While a rebuild can be cost-effectively, it might not always address all underlying issues. A replacement might be more expensive upfront but could offer better long-term reliability. Our suggestion here is to consult with different repair shops for the better understanding for whole picture before you make the final decision. I don't think the car dealer will show you the vehicle with obviously transmission oil leaking, but look under the vehicle for any signs of transmission fluid leaks. It's an easy way to know the transmission status. Puddles or spots of red or brown fluid could suggest a leak. Determining whether a transmission is in good or bad condition involves a combination of visual inspection, listening for unusual sounds, and paying attention to how the vehicle behaves during driving. With that being said, let's dive into the tips directly. First is the shifting smoothness. Pay attention to how the transmission shifts between gears. It should be smooth and relatively seamless without any abrupt jerks, delays, or slip rings. Second one is the engagement delays. The transmission should engage promptly when you shift from park to drive or reverse. Delays or hesitations can be a sign of trouble. Third, vibrations. Excessive vibration or shuddering during acceleration or gear shift can be a sign of transmission trouble. More than that, listen for any unusual noises when shifting gears or driving. Grinding, whining, clucking, or buzzing sounds could indicate transmission issues. And the next one is gear slippage. If the transmission unexpectedly slips out of gear or shifts into a different gear on its own, this is a clear sign of a problem. Fifth is the reverse gear. Problems engaging or staying in the reverse gear could indicate transmission issues. And that will lead to the performance changes. If you notice a significant change in the vehicle's performance, such as a sudden drop in fuel efficiency or a lack of power, it could be related to a transmission problems. Last, you may ask your dealers to provide the maintenance history if possible. Check the vehicle's maintenance history. Regular maintenance, including the fluid changes, can extend the life of transmission and also help you to consider the best car to pick. We all know that transmission system is so sophisticated and requires high attention to maintenance. It's important to note that the diagnosing transmission issues can be complex, and not all symptoms are definitely indicator of a problem. If you suspect transmission trouble, it's recommended to have the vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic or technician who can provide a proper diagnosis and recommend the necessary repairs. We all know the regular maintenance and addressing issues promptly can help prevent more extensive and expensive transmission problems in the long run. So here are some symptoms for you to recognize the transmission problems. First one is the burning smell. A burnt smell could indicate overheating transmission fluid, which might result from the excessive friction due to the warm components. Second one is the warning light. If the check engine or transmission warning light is illuminated on the dashboard, it's an indication that the vehicle's computers has detected an issue. And the last one is fluid condition and level. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. The fluid should be at the appropriate level and have a reddish or pinkish color. Dark, burnt-smelling fluid could indicate a problem. Meanwhile, inspect the transmission fluid for any signs of contamination, such as the metal particles or debris. This could point to internal component wear. Also, if the transmission fluid appears foaming or frothy, it might suggest irritation issues caused by the internal problems. The next time you step into a dealership, armed with these transmission secrets, you will be better equipped to make informed decisions about your vehicle's health and your wallet's well-being. Remember, knowledge is the key to unlocking the mysteries of car ownership. Do you have any secret tips to maintain your transmission? Leave comments below to share with us. The more we share, the better we can learn from each other and take care of your and our cars. And remember to share this video to your friends and to remind them of the time to maintain their transmission. Alright my friend, thanks for your watching, and I wish you, your cars, and your family all the best. And I will see you very soon next week. Adios!